Hi everybody, in my previous video I added router to my table saw workbench, and now I'm going to make a new fence for it with dust extraction. Let's see how I do this. So I take another 2x4, cut it to the depth of the table saw workbench. Now I do some markup and I need a hole here to accept vacuum hose for dust extraction. So markup is done. Let's remove material from 2x4 and we'll see what will happen. I use fastener bit to make a hole. And I use my dado blades to remove material from the bottom of the 2x4. Dado blades allow to remove wider material for one pass. Now let's assemble the fence. I clamped it to the table saw fence. Attach my vacuum hose. Let's test it. It's more stable, it's very sturdy. And what do you think about it? Tell me in the comments.